Yeah, Sinalei. Yeah, now in Sinalei Resort. Still like 40 or 50 minutes away from the main city. Very beautiful. Very nice. Sinalei hotel. Kaya ni sirup sa. Mamuang kilo solo makai o ay. Yeah, resort. Yeah, Sinalei resort. Yeah, we are coming for dinner on that side. Hello. Hallo? Daki. Daki ala fi sawa ni mati. Yeah, this is where we're gonna have dinner. Fiafia o le weekend, ia e tina I lunga I sani. During the week, ia o lunga I uli.
Video call.
Do you want any drinks?
Yeah.
What food?
I got it. Well, my mum was in there.
Do you want a mocktail?
Sprite.
Sprite? Give it different. Look at these ones. Yeah, they have, look, fresh lime juice, mint and Sprite.
Yeah, I think that's enough. That will do.
This one?
Yeah, that.
Or tropical colada.
Yeah, I think I need Sprite.
Yeah.
For my stomach.
Alright. Virgin mojito.
Tropical.
Virgin Mai Tai. Okay, and then look for, Mummy, you know you have your own menu in
You
front.
need tropical banana.
Okay. And look for the dinner menu. Here, Mum. You're close. You're close. And your kupe is like hanging out of the back.
Let's see what
Did you want to look at the special for the dinner?
You took a photo.
smells. Yes.
Getting fishy.
Dad, see if you like the sound of these.
The what?
See if you like the sound of any of these. This is the dinner special.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Fisherman basket. That's battered fish, peppered calamari, garlic butter, baby octopus, and mussels served with fries and aiga.
Fish or veggie curry.
Yeah, that's the one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two fries.
Yeah.
Salad.
What's
Fries.
what's aiga? Oh, aioli.
Okay.
No, it's fried. It's just
Fries. Yeah, that's all right.
fish, calamari, octopus, mussels, and
Yeah.
fries.
Yeah.
Battered, and there's the battered catch of the day, crispy battered catch of the day, French fries, sauce, and salad.
Oh, this is nice. Where they do this? This is
Yeah.
on my shelf.
Yeah,
Well, that's apple as well. Do you know what you want?
yeah, I think I'll get something for them.
Okay.
Yeah, give me that. This one.
Yeah. We're ready. Well, can we please get the fisherman basket? One and red sandwich.
I'll get the Polynesian fish curry, please.
I'll get the. Ooh. Sorry, I'll get the. I'll get the Indian ribeye steak. Yeah. Can I get it? Yeah, medium well. What is serving? With milk. And I'll get, can I get garlic butter? Yeah. Like, can I get sauce on it or something? Yeah. I'll get garlic butter. Oh, wait, no, there's already gravy. That's okay. I'll just have the gravy. And Mum?
Yeah, still looking. Catch of the day. Ribeye steak, seafood carbonara chicken, Polynesian fish curry, hangover. Okay, Polynesian fish curry for me. Polynesian fish curry
Another
for
one
me.
of those.
Oh, who's over? Ah.
And I'll get the pocket colada. Dad, do you want to drink? Okay. Yeah, that's all. That's all? Yeah. Thank you.
Like apple.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what is. Yeah, that's the one over there.
tastes like apple.
Was that on thing? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, they call it. Well, where's your food? It's coming.
Because it's steak, it's taking a little longer.
What do you call this one?
Polynesian curry.
Oh,
Fish, yeah.
Fish curry. Yeah, we're having dinner now. And I'm sure it's almost 7 o'clock.
Okay, wait
Yeah,
one second.
Gordon Ramsay.
oh, this is nice. This is special. This.
Oh, leave your phone. I want to do my turn.
Nice.
No, baby, octopus. Yeah. Haven't tasted it yet. See how it feels. Looks yummy.
Mom, you have Dad's number?
Maybe back over there, in the car.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Yeah, behind the Lexus.
Or next to that blue car. Or is it going to
No,
block the
that's
way?
in the middle.
Or here, like
Yeah,
you can
we can
reverse
park it
it.
over here.
Everyone wants to make their own park.
Yeah, why
So
not?
let's...
There's no enough park.
Park it here.
Mm.
Still, as long as it's got room for the other cars to come
Yeah.
through.
Mm.
It's good, not like Australia, they have no standing everywhere.
Yep.
Very beautiful. Yeah, Taumeasina, 14. What a photo.
And then we'll turn our chairs around.
luau. And tatou. That's dinner. Yeah, at Taumeasina. Yeah, lelei. Yeah, faiai, luau. I'm gonna get you. Yep. We are on our way to Solosolo. But we wanna take some fish. Oh, a longo.
Money.
Fiafia.
Yeah.
Đây đâu ạ?
Right. Yeah. Yeah, matagofie. Matagofie, yes. Yeah. Ôi này, à bé ơi này. Yeah, the fact go away. Looks like. This is so covered. Yeah, sandava. Sandava. Oi, 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 excuse me. Oi, Tama. Sawa ka mo na pule. Ako ulo lalo. Sorry ya. Okay, rumah aku lah ko ulo ako yan. Iya. Ito
Ủa, qua quay phui mấy xí.
Iya, sa pay.
Đi đi.
Oi, ito na lang mo mo na ba. Sayang. Yeah, iba. Yeah, bags. The bags are not. Yeah, they go like it. I love it. Thank you. See you bye.
Because you strangle, you didn't let the blood out.
Yeah.
But when you cut the head of the chicken,
And let the blood
let the blood out, the meats come, when you cook it, come real white.
White, yeah.
Josh, this is my village.
Can you
This
pull
is your
over?
village?
Stop.
Let's
Yeah.
take a photo.
Where?
Josh, let's go take a photo of the sign.
What's
Which
that?
one?
The Solosolo one.
Oh, the one behind.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll just walk there.
No, we took that photo. We went last
You wanna-
weekend.
But I look ugly in that photo. I wanna...
At the low party.
Oh, Mom. Oh.
Yeah, I'll take a photo.
Take a photo of us, like, in front of you.
Yeah, cool. Like that.
But here. Let's take a picture.
Ready? You want it straight? 1, 2, 3. Smile.
And then one from with this background.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Make sure you get like the mountain. I want to get the like smoky mountain.
Yeah.
Mom, you're getting there, yeah?
Yeah.
Come.
Oi.
Got it? Okay. let's go to the store.
You went to the portrait. If
So
you want.
this is the name of your village?
Yeah.
Solosolo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Solosolo.
Solosolo.
So is this where you grew up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is my village. A lot of memories.
A lot of memories.
Mm. There were Taumeasina lelei. Faaiuina aiga. Whikauia kakau umai ai. Ya me mako mai ko liliu. Wa misi a mako ia mako va ai. Awa misi ia mako ko liliu whakauia. Ia o mai ko liliu. Wa misi pamu. Pamping singi ko ka va. Ia ko o mai ko ku ngamu. Ia pu e akale o vai. Ya senya o ya wale mo se aveli.
Ayo, kemudian masih ada.
Malo. Yeah, Sinalei the hard one, the black sheep of the family. Wait, I just see that.
Oh yeah, look, he's here.
I didn't know there's a pig. Well, my killing. Mga ay ele vai nga ko luau. Yeah. Yeah. This is this is the leg. I was spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, look, breadfruit. See,
Oh yeah.
that's breadfruit.
Breadfruit,
Breadfruit, yeah.
Where?
There, like ulu. You know what we had? Dad bought from the market.
Oh, yeah.
So no one's hungry. No one should be hungry here. There's food, avocado. The avocado tree. When they have fruit. Huh? It's named after me.
Oh, they named after you. Yeah. And you?
No, for.
Lefa.
Oh, there, huh?
But my other name, my middle name,
Yeah, for.
yeah, it's very high in our culture.
Yeah.
This the name, my other name, is a very most
Meaningful,
important,
yeah,
meaningful. So everyone call me, they know where I am.
Yeah.
Once they ask your name, and then I say my name, and they say, oh, you're from, everyone knows because they know the particular.
Yeah.
So that's mine. So that's, I don't use it much because when I do something stupid or something wrong, it can damage
The name.
the, what is it called? The name, the name. That is the reputation, yes.
Yeah.
So I'm protecting that name.
See? Let's have a thought in the olden days.
Yeah, I'm protecting my name too.
So I think this is P. Oh, yeah, P. P. Your garden? The garden? Yeah. So avocado. All day. And the size are really big. This one.
This one avocado too?
Yeah, this one. Avocado, orange,
Orange.
lemon. Oh, I think this is lemon.
Yeah.
This is avocado.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think they cut down some. I
Mm.
don't know. Because this is not a season,
Yeah.
but sometimes I come. Oh, they
Oh,
yeah,
everywhere.
they just fall everywhere. They don't like eating avocado.
No?
They like eating lamb
Yeah.
and beef. And cocoa, the cocoa,
Okay. Oh, this
cocoa
one?
tree.
Ah,
Yes, it's you know
Babe, look. He's the brother of that one.
the cocoa tree.
Brother, look. Come here. The other piggy, look. Look at piggy.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, so cute.
Yes, I told you that's
The pig. Hello. What's your name? He should have a name. Bella.
Yeah.
Você put up a female. Put up a female. Oh, it's a female.
Oh, female.
Female. Should name. Taingoya Coco. Coco. Eh? What are you doing? Hi. Oh, what?
It's a girl. Where's the mom?
He's gonna cry. He's gonna cry.
Yes, stop.
What are you doing? I don't know what's for.
He's doing it on purpose.
You wanna carry?
Yeah.
He wants to carry the pork, the pig, the pork.
Dad,
Pork.
don't cry.
Hi, Coco.
Is it
Hello, Coco. There, I'm trying to name him. He's female. Coco.
Coco Loco?
Hello. Yeah, we have a Coco here in Samoa to replace my beautiful little puppy.
Oh, yeah.
That
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From there,
And,
yeah.
and it
Yeah.
comes down there.
Bottom, yeah.
Coco. E ngo palangi e se ale coco lele. E ka fo lele coco. Like coco. O le ngongan mako mai le saya. Ya, ninga la ko ya senga fo. E frena mo senga. Ia, bala au mai pe. Oi, akapi. Do you wanna see? Billy, Fiafia ki kila le kape ngale moa. They're gonna kill the chicken. Sometimes they steal, but I don't know about. Kala so ne pe lai buang maka le lo ai lo la ngonga ma. They're gonna kill the chicken. Do you wanna see?
What? They're gonna what?
They're gonna kill the chicken. Do you wanna see? Need to find a way to clean this. Come. I'm not gonna put the camera if they got the heat. I'm not. I'm scared. been a long time. Yeah, oh, that's how they make that luau. That's how that luau. Okay. Have you done it? What for? What pay? Oi, ha, ngata kena fai. Ha, nakikinga. No, kaya wale mawali kema. Oh yeah, eh. Yeah, nakikinga. That's all the. So that's Samoan ticket. Yeah, so I see nice to feel another house. So facing to the
because the ocean,
Just a small one like to just to relax and breathe. The breeze.
Maybe when you read the Lord.
I know.
You don't need to read the Lord.
It doesn't.
Just say, no, it's only cost a little.
How
Few
much?
thousands.
How much? How much? How money? How much?
Your money,
Yeah. What to do?
maybe 20K.
20?
Just a small one.
Yeah. That's good.
Not like that one.
To build like, not the ones, like the ones with no windows on.
No, and
like that?
open, and open. You see a lot of places that are open. So this one's good for, because they have a closed one and they're open. Yeah, so it shouldn't go. You see the house I baked for the house, their house.
Yeah.
You can see it's not like the way you do it. So this is like cabbage.
Cabbage,
Just the
yeah.
leaves.
Yeah.
I don't know what to call it in English. Lau pele. It's called lau pele. We're gonna sit. So you can use it to fry food, like meat. Yeah. They have all this. Kai kele au suka laki.
Have you never had it? Mama was boiled them. Look at those green the long one. And you just,
So that's the time.
it's nice title. Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So it's
Very nice.
Look at this plants of the cat, I think the cat is
They just need some ground.
Yeah, they need to repaint the house. The outdoor toilet and bathroom.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
You were scared to go
The
here?
one that
Oh, look, those baby chickens.
you know this when my other sister, because she has stroke, then they quickly did this for her,
so she could, yeah.
so she can walk from there to there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna re-go this. Hey. We'll find you out.
Aku kira mereka puang. Mereka puang kiri.
Porque aí se manga yo. Que lolo u to kama. O na kuwa I le I fa manga ku ba yelo. Le makama to le ile mele le oko fua moa. Le oko ngale do a. Ya o ni la le ala ko fo I la uto. Oko na roa.
Oli punga o foi o a nga me pia. Ali o foi o Samoa.
Awe. Ko I ngoi male ava a. We cook our food. Ya o fale Kakalia kuangai. Nai kama se iyo o mai leo. Asi. E makamaka I whaingo le umu. Te roanga le I mako. Waiwa le wanga kau le umu. Ya, o e sa inga wale mo ke o le loko.
O e mo.
Ya, mo ke fia o I le... Pero ya, tipo, ya kanya. Kanya o loko.
O le I wanga pa. O e ka ulola langa le ua. Lua walo. Langa le ua.
O le I vale si a suka sila les. E ka unana le umu.
Kau.
Ba ia kako ia. Te kau ko ina le pungi a. Ia kau. O miara ka me ia la. E te kubo I ka I kulu. Ka I. Ia nga kau. Ai pule o te whaakalai si.
Waranga mai ala e roma. Peire o ka.
Moa mai ala.
Kalani si ai. Ai kalani si ai.
E wali ka mai.
Ia pule ale ka mele. Ia wale a wa fai mai lava loko.
Ai ai e o mai loko.
Mo ke o. Ia wa ko a nga la loko.
Ia nga.
Moa Samoa fo ni. Ma ia moa ia. Ma ki ngo ai le ni me o ngo fo ia kong pe o moa. Ale o vai nga ia fa ka o mai ni. E o mai ni sa mo ko ki a kor ka o sanga ka mi sa va a. Kama ia ma ko ai. Lelei ia le. Ko ai hasi ia moa. Ia. Me alu le umu. Ia, o skako lai nga I ngai fo I kaini. Ko e lai wa ko fo I le kaini la fu e le umu. Ia. Ai. Ia le wa makasai tua. Ia. I named this little one Coco. Ula. Quel est le Coco? I really miss this land. We have a small cemetery over there. O sua uma poa. Moa Samoa. Faiai. pe a fai faapaie mo ai po fe me ama ye mo pe nga fai mo ye fa ka me le fale o lo kile a se e a lo fa fo nga le mo pe a
Iya, maya pendek mas. Ya que fez?
não levar nem como ya o mo la ya ali
É caro.
Cadê? Oi, é canão, não tô vendo. O que foi isso?
Ele chupou.
Oi? Ah, eu peguei água.
A cá foi mais eu fui vai fazer aí no olho lá lá. Ah,
Peguei água. Ya, lelan lang ale ako eh. Pwede mo. Ya.
Aku may alay.
Leumo. Ya, lewa fue leumo. Oye. Yo la vai nga ya. No liang. Oka. Ma nga yo le vela ole. Ma yo le vela le. Pai, oi, malu au. Oi a. Ai le ma walo kai mi ole loko mo feola isso esse vai.
Sawi mahu.
Ya le wa vela le umu. Ai ma nga yo le vela le. Ma nga yo papa ko si me ala di. Pasa por mai no. Ma nga yo vela uluma. Ya. Ele mo pa o mai ale. Le o pelea que me ai pua.
Ini dapat.
Foi numa. Ai ta ni mo. Eu fia vala aulia kwa oi ai. Eu fai si mamau. Ta lu fa langi. Ya. E yang mi ke le mi ko nga yo mi ka wa le urukau. Ole kalukau. Pai ese fo ya le chesto mi ai ka le mule ama. Mi ai ka fo nga le la le unga mo. Ta lang. Ah. Ya.
Có nè, quên mấy. Mình nhiều đâu.
Thế là mẹ.
Nhiều lông ơi. Mấy mà lông. Nó.
No, yung mga yuli. Ay, di mo kailangan ay at sa inyo ay tas. Fai sabo fai paka. Talo fa sistema
Oh, kasih aku.
Ay va pela kuwa.
Anak ambil aku. Dan aku mau putih.
Sulit ba viole lang nga ako. Lang nga may le ako eh. Oh yeah. Ay, kama pa umu. Ya, ya po laki ngi kay mo yo ko la ko ay ko laki ngi o ko. Ko bai fo la ya ko laki. Ya, halo na bai. Nai tau li a fo ima. Kapinga no le umu awa. Ia le kai nyama langa mai. Ba yang sungi le makan-makan. Hai sungi. Ba ai ko wala ulu. Ya, aku wala sawe. Ya ai so lu ang so kas tua ang. Kuela ya. Ya. Ya, ule intinga ka ko mu. Ya. Aku wa. Yes, So that's how we make the basket out of the coconut palm tree leaves. Coconut tree, palm tree. Yeah. Yeah. Kulo le ka kuwa kung lue pepe tumu. Ya vai. E umalele yang ya ko ni. Ya. Ya sai mai ko kiki fo esa. Esa vale hoy fai la umu que hay. Yeah. That's the end. Look, nah.
Lah sini ku ngan aku ngai. Kisau ya, mika ba.
Right. Ya masih mau filmnya ya mana?
Masih iya ngale se Fiafia.
Mana yang sulit. Oke mile yang yo le ya ngale le loko mai ya.
Look.
Whaamoe lei pepegi. Ia. O tatou video nā nei aso. Ia manuia lava. Ia ewe kawhi whaa ua mai fuai. Mako umbu. Ia. Nā ia le aso. Ale la sa mi o le luku. Whaasongi. Koe laiva ku fo i se ska. Yeah.
Mà cái phòng em mấy đêm mà máu sẽ là miếng xấu quá công vậy mà béo mà máu quả
E la le whangua le ngā au ka kui o le olo. Io i. E le io o ia le awala kai. Ia, ia. Kopia. So wale fai. So wale mai pis. I mai o tino man na fofa.
Vô là cái phá kim gì mãi chứ.
I want to show you where I'm gonna live in 10 years. When I'm retired.
Gotta make
Yeah.
what do you call it
A tiling business.
Anh chị có ngủ.
Yeah, kako.
Mua.
Oi, a fe. Ai ngo foi. Se mangi chain ni sai ai oi. Yeah. Ora foi ngo ia pi. Ora foi ngo ia ka fa ka. Carlo Lona fale ia masiuka ili kele singa mia fa mai le luto ia mai fa se wa ana fa la mai ia ma foi le konga ia singi fa finge and tuna. Umale tuna.